In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your name on Udemy in just a couple of minutes. It's a simple update, and once you know where everything is, the process becomes effortless. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Udemy. Click on the official website, and once the home page loads, head to the top right corner. If you're not logged in yet, choose the login option and enter your email and password. If you're already signed in, you'll see your initials or your profile picture instead of the login button. Click on your initials or profile picture to open a small menu. From this list, select the option that says Edit Profile. This takes you to the page where you can update your basic account details. Inside the Edit Profile section, go to the tab labeled Basics. Here, you'll see your current name displayed. Simply click inside the name field. Type the new name you want to use and make sure the spelling is exactly how you want it to appear across your account. Once you've updated your name, scroll down and click the Save button. This step is essential because your changes won't apply unless you confirm them. After saving, your updated name will immediately reflect on your Udemy profile. And that's all it takes. Your name is now successfully updated on Udemy. If you run into any issues or have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy learning.